fellas, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn how to earn money by flipping the websites and buying them and again flipping them. So this is shortly called as buy and flip websites. The process of buying and selling website is relatively very simple. After purchasing a site, optimize its content for search engines, generate a revenue first and then sell it for a profit. So it's an ideal money making project for anyone who enjoys website design, improving SEO and curating a great user experience also. Not all websites have a future value, so knowing which one to buy and invest time is very essential. A good rule of thumb is picking the ones already generating revenue and traffic. So moreover, the websites with a popular Nike and a premium domain name are very easier to sell at a higher prices. So here are few marketplaces for finding the websites. For example, the Latonas is there and the Flippa is there. Flippa lets people all over the world buy and sell domain names or the websites with varying rankings. Okay, so these websites also engaged in a global market. So you can have domains available on the Flippa and then you can then sell it for the second ownership. Then next is Latonas. So Latonas promotes websites and online store with a minimum annual revenue of like 20,000 USDs. Then there is the Empire Flippers. They sell the profitable websites with a wide range of monthly revenues from hundreds to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Then there is the Side Projectors, a platform to buy and sell digital projects like websites, e-commerce stores are there, apps are there, and domain names are also there on this website. So there are some factors to consider to avoid making a bad website investment also. The first is to ask for a proof of concept, revenue report, and the site's current monetization methods. Then check the volume and sources of its traffic also. These are good indicators of website's potential. So wherever you are going to buy or whichever platform you are going to choose, you must ask these things first and documented proofs from them. It's also a good idea to ask about existing site issues and verify why the original website owner is selling it in the first place. So finally, double check the seller's background and avoid buying sites from anonymous brokers also. Always go for the reputed brokers only. Do the site background check and then only go for buying it and then again selling it for the higher profits. So guys, this method is very unique. You can also check out and you will get hands on it with your some experience. 5 to 6 months is very enough to start buying and flipping the website. So guys, go ahead and start making money today.